This puppy jumped on the road and rescued by Mr. Groeneveld from Netherlands. This puppy need desperately help because on the land plot, 100 of dogs and no financial support from the government. Please support this puppy as he needs dog house, vaccination, food, anti-worming tablets, and medicine. This is Rehabilitation Center for Abandoned Dogs Kobuleti Batumi, and only two teachers rescue and serving hundreds of dogs dumped by locals everywhere in Georgia. This puppy is being in shower just now. Thank you very much in advance.